tree right there. Did much about that. Yeah, it took a lot of trees over there in her yard. You can see where the tornado came through. It's down.
Yeah, there used to be a house right there.
It's right there. It's got a lot of damage. A roof on it. It tore right through here. I got the alert. I could hear it.
All those trees down over there too.
Power lines down, trees down. Look, all the power lines just ripped out. It's about, I don't know, 3 miles from my house. But you can hear it. You can hear it real good. It was closer on back, like maybe a mile and a half from the house is where it all started.